possible? Can anyone tell that why nothing is impossible? Alright, because the word itself says, I am possible. I am Possible. I am possible. Correct? See, I am the student of journalism and mass communication. So, अच्छा यहाँ कितने लोग mass communication के हैं? Very good, very good. तो आप लोगों ने तो पढ़ा ही होगा that in communication process, feedback is the best thing. Correct? So I really want feedback from you all. Well, my name is Karuna Singh and I am the Corporate Communication Officer in Consortium E-Learning Network Private Limited. So, कितने लोगों को लिखना पसंद है? पहले मेरे को ये बताओ. इसको ना बोरिंग नहीं करेंगे, हम जस्ट एक इंटरैक्टिव सेशन करेंगे. फाइन. लिखना पसंद है. गुड. कितने लोगों ने रिसर्च किया है किसी भी टॉपिक पर? अब देखो, टॉपिक ऐसे नहीं होता कि आपने एक सब्जेक्ट टॉपिक पर ही रिसर्च किया है या फिर आपने कोई लैब वर्क पर ही रिसर्च किया है. रिसर्च किसी भी टॉपिक पर हो सकता है. सपोज आप एक किचन में गए और वहां आपने किसी भी चीज को बनाया, अलग तरीके से बनाया. दैट इज ऑल्सो रिसर्च. करेक्ट? फाइन. तो कितने लोगों ने ऐसा कुछ किया है? वेरी गुड. ओके. इसी तरीके से क्या होता है कि जब हम लोग कुछ भी चीज नई खोज करते हैं, ओके, तो उसको हम लोग रिसर्च कहते हैं, जैसे कि आप लोग सब बहुत अच्छे से जानते हैं. लेकिन क्या वो कुछ भी चीज किसी ने उसको नोट डाउन कभी किया? मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा कि भाई आप लोगों ने रिसर्च किया है? या किसी को भी कैसे पता चलेगा दैट यू पीपल मस्ट हैव डन अ रिसर्च ऑन एनी ऑफ द टॉपिक? किसी को पता चलेगा? नहीं. राइट? फाइन. उसके बाद किताबें पढ़ना किस किस को पसंद है? सच्ची में कोई भी किताब हो सकती है. बीट अ मैगजीन, बीट योर सब्जेक्ट बुक, बीट एनीथिंग. फाइन. वेरी गुड. इट्स अ वेरी गुड हैबिट. अच्छा, वैसे आप लोग को ये लग रहा होगा कि मैं क्या फालतू की बातें कर रही हूँ, ये करना, किचन में जाना, ये करना, वो करना, है ना? ऐसा लग रहा होगा आप सब लोगों को. राइट? ठीक है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. मैं इसलिए ये सब बता रही थी कि हम लोग लिखते हैं, पढ़ते हैं, बोलते हैं, हमारे हाथ में किताबें होती है, हमारे हाथ में नोटबुक्स होती है, बट क्या कभी सोचा है कि वो सब चीजें कहां से आती है? हैव यू एवर थॉट अबाउट दैट? ये सब कहां से पब्लिश की जाती है? एक पब्लिकेशन कंपनी से. And I am from a publication company that is Consortium E-Learning Network Private Limited. So, yeah. So, my company is ICTR group of companies. अभी भी लोग आ रहे हैं. आप जल्दी से बैठ जाइए सब लोग. Okay. So, my company is ICTR group of companies, where I stands for itbreak.com, C stands for Cellnet, D for Dhruv Infosystem Private Limited, and R for Rhinestay. Now, next slide. Well, so as you can see over here that our company has started since 2000 and the headquarters are in Noida. We work in worldwide and the key people are Mr. Puneet Mehrotra, who is the director of the company, and the managing director is Mrs. Archana Mehrotra. All right. Now itbreak.com. As I've already told you that ICTR group of companies, where I stands for itbreak.com, where it is a platform which works to promote the online software development. Now, Cellnet. Cellnet is India's premier training organization working rigorously to promote knowledge through publication, training programs, consultancies, etc. Next is Dhruv Infosystems Private Limited. It is the one of the fastest and most innovative platform in which we work for the international publications. Now Rhinestay. Rhinestay Nano Ventures is the leading supplier or traders of the nanomaterials in India. Now, in Cellnet, there are so many entities, like you can see STM journals, NSTC, STM conferences, knowledge. So over here, STM journals, it is an imprint of SELEC, Consortium E-Learning Network Private Limited, and over here, we publish more than 100 plus journals, and in the field of science, technology, and medical. Now, NSTC. NSTC stands for Nanoscience and Technology Consortium, and it is also, again, India's premier organization, which is rigorously working to promote nanotechnology in India. Now, STM conferences. It is the platform where we arrange conferences and we publish the conference papers. Now, Knowledge. It is a unique and ambitious platform in which we work for the management journals, and we publish more than 15 journals over here. Okay, we have centers of excellences in each domain. Like for nanotechnology, we have NSTC. For like life sciences, we have CELS, Center of Life Sciences Excellence, then CECSC, CEEE, and many more. Yeah, thanks. Okay, now Dhruv Infosystems. As I've already told you that ICDR, now it comes D, Dhruv Infosystems. It is just, we publish international journals over here, like more than 105 plus journals we publish, and all journals are scientific journals. Okay, now Rhinestone Nanoventures. It is India's leading traders and suppliers of the nanomaterials in India, and that Rhinestone Nanoventures has collaborated with many of the government organizations like BARIC, Terry Daikin, IITs, and IITs. Next. Now this is Knowledge Star. Knowledge Star is the official YouTube channel of ICDR group, and where we do panel discussions with the renowned persons, we do interactions with the renowned persons, we make the videos of training programs which we are going to conduct and we conduct, and news from the roots, yes. Okay, now this is the most important slide, I suppose, because success factors of a company. If I am working in a company and I don't know what are the key success factors, then I am of no use. So key factors or success factors of a company are very, very important. As you can see over here, the first one is strategic focus. I am working on something, I am focusing on a topic, but I don't have made any of the strategy. So this is something, it is not like that. We have to make a strategy, then we have to focus on the particular topic. And that is called strategic focus, which is really important for an organization. Now obviously people are very important part of an organization, because अगर लोग ही नहीं होंगे तो organization कैसे चलेगा, right? Then marketing again a very important part of organization. It plays a very, very important role, because अगर marketing ही नहीं होगी तो product का कैसे पता चलेगा, correct? Next, operations. Yes, operations तो करने ही पड़ते हैं. Then the finances. Next. Vision and mission. My company's vision and mission is to expand the global network. That's it.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the links shown on the screen to stay connected.